So, I'm the director of this hospital, Kayanza. Kayanza is located in the town of Kayanza, in the central district of Kayanza. The hospital welcomes many patients from other area in the country. So here we are going to visit the new lab of Kayanza Hospital. So I'm going to present the lab, the chief lab of this lab. So to present you this lab, to show the lab, the rooms, and the needs. So,
okay. My name is Katoto Das. I am lab manager for this hospital. Our laboratory is included in the East African Public Health Laboratory Networking Project. We have a new building for this lab. For example, this is a room for sampling and collection sample. For this room, we need the casting chair in which the patient can sit very well when we are taking the sample.
Molecular biology service. So as we have this new lab, this is a place for molecular biology. Normally we should do this molecular biology, but as you see, there is a big space, but we don't have any equipment for molecular biology. And according to the mission of this lab, we need new equipment for molecular biology so that we can realize many analyses and update. As you see here, this is also a place because we must need at least 3 parts for doing molecular biology, but the place is here, you see, there is a connection, but we don't have any equipment. That's the reason why we need to be sponsoring so that we can start with molecular biology in order to help our population, in order to help our patients. Okay. Now this is the first part for preparation of specimen. This is the second one. And this is the third one. In order to be able to do molecular biology. As you see, we have enough space so that we can start with molecular biology, but we don't have any equipment in order to start. That's the reason why we need a sponsorship in equipment and also in training on how to manage those equipment so that we can help our population and our patients. This is a room sterilization for equipment. As we are going to start with bacteriology culture and sensitivity testing, antibiotic susceptibility testing, we need equipment for sterilization of media or for culture. So if we get one for sterilization or more, it will help us to do our mission about culture and antibiotic susceptibility testing. Is only for officers. There is an office for head lab manager, for quality manager, for biosafety manager, and monitoring and evaluation of all of those activities in the lab. And this is a computer room for operation, and that one is video conference. we have only 2 incubators which are working. That reason why we have a big problem. Many times, most of the time, we have to transfer those premature newborn to Ngozi Hospital for taking in charge, because the 3, 4 are not working. So we need new incubators which are working so that we can help our premature newborn for treatment in order to avoid a transfer from another hospital, because it can cause many risks to transfer premature newborn. And the operation room for ladies who are pregnant.
Jetzt, wir sind im OP. Das ist die Open von Gynäkologie. Nur Gynäkologie. Wir machen nur die Sektion und etwas Operationen von Frauen. Dies ist ein Narkosegerät von Deutschland. Nur wir benutzen dieses Gerät. Ein schönes Gerät.
Pediatric service, which is composed by 2 components. This first room, as you see, we have many kids hospitalized here. Normally we should not pass over only 1 patient per each bed, but now we can have around 4 patients for each bed. That's the reason why the treatment was not done properly, because of few beds with many kids. We need many beds because we have the new pediatric block which is under construction. That's the reason why we need beds for transferring those kids, in order to have only for each bed, each patient. 1 bed, 1 patient.
For example, now we have in the service 32 beds. Now here in the service we have 98 kids here. You understand that we have many kids here in this service. So that we need many beds for the service. This is the new building of pediatry we are building now. But we have some problem because we have managed to finish it in some months, maybe in February, but it's not possible because we are finding funds to go on. But we think with this July, August, we must finish the first level for this floor. We began with the provincial administration and central administration to look for funds. We think that in some times we're going to find the money to continue building this floor.